IIT target course for standard 11th and IIT JEE. Subject coordinate geometry, chapter conic section. Dear students, today I am going to explain every point related with parabola. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from fixed point and a fixed line in the plane. These points are given below. Remarks. The fixed point is called focus of the parabola and the fixed line is called the directrix of the parabola. Second, a line through the focus and perpendicular to the distance is called the axis of the parabola. Third, the point of intersection of parabola with the axis is called the vertex of the parabola. Fourth, if the fixed point lies on the fixed line, then the set of points in the plane which are equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed line is the straight line through fixed point and perpendicular to the fixed straight line as designated case of the parabola. Eccentricity of a parabola. The eccentricity of a parabola is the ratio of the distance of any point on the parabola from the focus to the distance of that point from the directrix. It is denoted by a small e, since by definition of parabola both the distances are equal. Hence, the eccentricity of a parabola is always 1. How to find a standard equation of a parabola according to given figure. By definition of parabola, we have EF equal to PD. This implies under root x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to x plus a. After simplifying, we get y square equal to 4x, which is the required equation of parabola. Similarly, we can derive the equation of parabola in other three cases. Length of latus rectum of a parabola. The line segment perpendicular to the axis of parabola through the focus and whose endpoints lie on the parabola is called latus rectum. Its value of length is given by 4a.